What is up, beautiful people? So guys, today is Saturday. My fridge. Today is Saturday. It's 8:53. I just woke up, guys, and the family's still upstairs sleeping. My husband and the kids, they are still sleeping, guys. I have a lot to do today, so I am down here making breakfast before they wake up, making breakfast, and then I need to, guys, don't mind my bandana. When I cook, I like to have something on my head. Yeah, so I am going to go take my car for a car wash. The place I'm going to take it to, they usually packed. So yeah, so that's why I'm making breakfast first for them before I leave, because I don't want to go and then come back late. So that's why I'm making breakfast for them now. And then after that, I am going to go to Costco. Guys, did you do the movement yesterday, the 28th? Did you do the non-shopping stuff? Guys, I tried my best, okay? I tried my best, and I was supposed to get my eyebrows done yesterday, and I didn't do that. So I saved that for today. And but once I pick up the girls, they wanted to go to Chick-fil-A. So yeah, they went to Chick-fil-A. So yeah, so I'm going to go to Costco today. We need groceries and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's what's going on today. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be making. So I am going to be making sausage. I'm going to make that, and I had more bacon. This is the last one. I need to grab some more at Costco. And I'm going to make biscuit and eggs. Oh, and also tater tots. They like tater tots. I will be making tater tots as well. So let's get started. Let me put you guys down. I hope you guys can see more, because there's pretty much nothing there. I'm in my underwear. So I'm not going to lower it too low. Too low. I need to put on my glasses so I can see. I think I need to go higher. Yeah, I need to go higher. There. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. I'm not trying to flash you guys. Okay. Oh, okay. So I just need, okay. Now we're cooking with grease. Okay, guys. So I am going to turn on the oven. $275. I'm going to preheat the oven and stuff like that. And guys, I'm trying to make this fast, and I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm going to get started, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hold on. I also would like to thank Alexa, stop. Okay, guys, I would like to take the time to thank each and every one of you who's been keeping my friend in your prayers. Those of you who text me and call me and stuff like that, and send me words of encouragement, I thank you. And It's going to be a long journey, but she's gonna make it. She's gonna get there, you know. It's going to be a long journey, but we will get there, guys. And I will keep you posted. And the devil is a liar. That's all I'm going to say. The devil is a liar. So she wasn't driving. She parked. She parked on the side of the highway. She parked on the side, sitting there, waiting for her husband to come for her and stuff like that, to come help her with the car. And then that's when another vehicle came and hit her in the back while she was sitting there waiting. She wasn't outside of the car. She wasn't driving of any sort. She was just sitting there in the car when she got hit. And when I talked to multiple people about the situation, because I'm like, am I the only one dealing with this? Like, this is crazy. And people are telling me, yes, it's very dangerous to park on the side of the highway. It's dangerous. People get killed like that. And so I'm begging you, please, if you're driving and you feel like something is wrong with your car and you feel like you have to stop, please try to see if you can make it to the next exit instead of pulling on the highway. Try to make it to the next exit and check that out instead of staying there. And if you can't make it, let's say it's a flat tire, and you feel like you can't make it to the next exit, just call 911, because I heard that if you call 911, they will come and stand behind you until you get help. So please try not to, as much as you can, try not to have to pull over on the when you're on the highway. It's very, very, very dangerous. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Yeah, she wasn't tired or anything like that. She was just sitting waiting for her husband. She was not driving at that moment. She just sat there. Yeah, I will keep you posted with her progress. Okay, my biscuit is ready. I'm going to get it out. Oh, let me bring you guys closer so you can see the biscuit. I'm sorry. It's the biscuit, you guys. Ready to go. So guys, I am sitting here waiting, and I am 12 in line. When I say 12 in line, other cars are being washed and everything, but for cars that waiting to go in, I'm 12 in line. So go figure. Let me show y'all. Bad as I thought it would be, even though there were like hundreds of cars before me, but they have a lot of people working here, so therefore it didn't take too long. I already say hey, I thought alright, so I'm not supposed to get to here.